Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how is you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Stay viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers. Today we will see in this video. We will see in this videos modern girls pop with bangs, haircuts, ideas. You will see stylish, unique, long layers and short layers, stylish bob with bangs, hair colors, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So guys, I would suggest it just keep on watching these videos till the end. You will see unique, modern, beautiful bob haircut designs. If you like my videos, so watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends. Marvelous and stylish, unique, beautiful bob haircut designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique, modern bob haircuts ideas, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle designs. Do you have new ideas of unique haircuts ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Gorgeous and stylish, you will see unique, modern bob haircuts designs. If you like my videos, so lovely viewers, downloaded my videos and you like this one unique haircuts idea, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique girls bob haircuts designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique, beautiful haircuts designs. Very attractive and very stylish, unique short bob haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new modern bob haircuts designs. Very attractive modern bob haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring unique haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, take care friend, you will see more